Hey guys, what's up? Damer the Gamer here, and I'll be unboxing Battlefield 3 for the PS3. Looking at the cover, we see a very attractive one. The Battlefield 3 logo, with soldiers marching in the background. Looking at the back of the cover, we see highlights of Battlefield 3's accomplishments. These highlights range from winner of Best Online Multiplayer, winner of the Best Action Game, All-Out Warfare, award-winning multiplayer, and Real as Hell single player. Opening it up, we see a CD that looks very similar to that of the cover. We have our online passcode, an EA Gun Club promotion, and the Battlefield 3 manual. So there you have it. That's an unboxing video of Battlefield 3, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.